Hello, I'm Jim Kelly with Saddle Point Systems, and I'm here to show you how to make hardcover books on the Fastback Model 20 document binder. So, what you do is you take the inside of your book, the pages, and what you want to do is add an end leaf, which is a folded sheet to the top and to the bottom. That's vital when you're doing hardcovers. You put it in the binder and you bind them up with a white strip. So that's going to be automatic. When that's done, it's going to look like this. This one's already done and cooled off. At that point, you take it over here and we're going to put headband material on, which is this material right here. It's a cloth, and you cut them to length the width of the book, and you peel off the release liner on those, and then they just stick down just like that. Put one on the top, one on the bottom. This is just for looks. You don't need to do it, but it does add something to the hardcover. So there we go, one on the top, one on the bottom. And then we take our hardcover. These come in different materials. They come in a vinyl and a suede, and they come in different colors, and they come in different widths. To find out which width I need for this one, I bring it over to the hardcover guide and put it in there, and this tells me I need an A or a B size hardcover. So this one is an A size, that'll work just fine. Put it into the corner there, pop that lever down, and that locks the book cover in place. And then I'm going to peel this back a little bit. This is another release liner, so there's pressure sensitive adhesive down there. And then I put the book block in to where it touches these plastic pieces, and that puts it exactly where I want it. And I peel this one off, and I'm going to close the book up, touching those two perfect purple guides as I go down, and that's going to position everything just right. So the hardcover guide makes it hard to make an error. And on this one I'm just going to finish peeling off that release liner, and that's what you get. So it's a real nice looking hardcover, and there's my headband. It releases the spine, so it behaves just like a nice book should. It's just it builds a very nice book. And then to decorate the cover, I could put a dust jacket on, or I could foil print this, or we have a different kind of hardcover that's pressure sensitive adhesive all the way around, and you can wrap your own image onto the cover. That's how you make hardcovers with the Fastback. Thank you very much.